welcome back to Mike's Man Cave, and today I'm going to have a look at some battery boxes, and these come in very handy and anyone would probably have a use for these. So let's have a look at what the issue is before we start. There's our problem, batteries. Now there's various batteries here. These are batteries for my flashlight. These are just normal AA batteries. These are just AAA batteries. You can see there's GoPro batteries. As you may or may not be aware, some of these batteries can be quite expensive. Like these ones are not cheap batteries. These ones here in Australia around the $30 to $40 mark. Okay, I've got a few of those. And there's a battery for my Sony camera, which this battery is worth around $80 to $100. I'll carry a lot of these batteries with me when I go travelling, especially these ones. They don't last too long. I tend to get a day out of one of these, and I've got a few of these batteries. And I've got a couple of GoPros, and I've got a few spare batteries here. Okay, so how do we keep these safe? Now, the solution for your battery storage problems and transport problems is right here. Small plastic battery boxes that you can get on eBay and order from China, and that are very, very cheap. Okay, most of these are around 50 cents to $1 delivered, and sometimes you can get package deals where they cost even less. These battery boxes are available for all types of batteries. As you can see over here, I've got a variety of batteries, and I have a battery box for each one right here. So let's have a look and put some of these batteries into those battery boxes. Let's start with the biggest batteries. Open up the battery box, and we put our batteries in the box like that, which is quite simple. Close the lid and you're done. Okay, let's go to our AA batteries. Fits 4 AA batteries in each box. Okay, these are great for when you're taking batteries with you for camping. Now the same box also fits the AAA batteries. They don't make a separate box for AAA batteries, you just order the same box. Okay, it still keeps them safe and separated, and they don't go anywhere really. Now here's the box for the expensive Sony batteries. Fits straight in there and closes up. Okay, this box probably fits a few different styles of batteries. As you can see, it's not a tight fit, but this is a lot better to keep in your camera bag than to just throw the battery in there, and if it shorts out or something happens to it, it can cause a lot of damage, and it can also destroy the battery, which is not what I really want for a battery that's worth around $100. I've got another Sony camera battery here, so we'll put that in there as well. Okay, that's how I generally keep them in my camera bag. And these are especially for GoPro batteries. They open quite easily. The battery slips in there, and that's it. Okay, keeps your expensive GoPro battery safe. It stops dirt from getting into the connections and terminals, and it stops your batteries from discharging unintentionally, shorting out, getting wet or anything else. Obviously you don't leave these out in the rain, but it does stop some water and moisture getting into these batteries. So there you go. We've got our GoPro batteries, we've got the camera batteries, flashlight batteries, and they're nice and safe and well looked after, and they're not going to get damaged or cause me any problems. I do not put product links in the description boxes simply because I buy a lot of this stuff on eBay, and the listing will disappear if I put a link in there within a week or 3 weeks, and that would just be wasting your time. So if you need some of these, just get onto eBay, search battery box for whatever type of battery you want, and find one that delivers to you locally at a good price. Okay, as you may know, I'm based in Australia, so I just find the best deal that sends batteries to me. Now if you found this video useful, please give me a big thumbs up. Smash that subscribe button for more videos from Mike's Man Cave. And thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.